They say heaven doesn't exist on Earth until you see Switzerland.
Every corner feels like a dream painted by nature.
I started my journey from Zurich, Pangin. Clean streets, calm faces, and cold breeze.
Switzerland doesn't show off. It just silently takes your heart. Every moment here feels like a scene from a fairy tale.
The air here smells of peace and chocolate.
When you ride the Glacier Express, time actually stops.
This isn't a place you visit, Hagley. It's a place you feel.
Mount Titlis made me realize nature doesn't need filters. The sound of Swiss bells echoes pure happiness.
Here, even silence has a melody.
This country doesn't need luxury. It is luxury.
I met people who smile without reason. Maybe that's the Swiss secret.
Every frame feels alive. Every second worth remembering. You don't capture Switzerland. It captures you.
The blue lakes, the white mountains, the green meadows, Balnew, this is perfection.
This journey changed me, not outside, but inside.
If peace had an address, it would be Switzerland.
Some countries you visit once, some stay forever.
This is Shafi Explorer, and I just found heaven on Earth.